Homemade chicken rice-a-roni. This is not your ordinary San Francisco treat. It's a full main course with chicken and fragrant rice and spaghetti, all seasoned with saffron, oregano, and cumin. It's easy to make. You're going to love it. So let me show you how I make it on Darlene's table. All right, so we've got cumin, oregano, salt, black pepper, red pepper, cayenne, and saffron threads. Basmati rice. This is just regular spaghetti cut in pieces, broken in pieces. Onion, red bell pepper, garbanzo beans, green peas, these were frozen. Chicken, I've chopped it up kind of fine. I prefer that to shredded chicken. Green peas, cilantro, parsley, and 3½ cups of homemade chicken stock, but you can use store-bought. I'm going to start with the onion, pepper, we'll let this cook for 3 or 4 minutes. I'm going to add the broken spaghetti, and we want to toast the spaghetti. We want it to get brown, a light brown to dark brown. It just depends. And it's okay if the onion starts to brown too. Now, I'm going to add the rice. And we're not going to brown the rice, but I want it coated, you know, with the butter and the oil and all that. So we're going to start and put it back. I added a little more butter. And now I'm going to add all the seasonings that I told you about. Coat that real good again. Chicken broth, here we go. 3½ cups. So, to this, I'm now going to add my chicken. This is 2 cups of chicken. I didn't shred it. Garbanzo beans, green peas frozen that have been thawed. Now, I'm going to stir this up real good, bring it back to a simmer. I'm going to bring this to a simmer. All right, here we go. Going to turn it to low. Put the lid on. Okay, so we're going to check this in a couple of places. And I'm going to add, stir it up real good. Doesn't that look good? My cilantro. I did 1/4 cup of cilantro. All right. And 1/4 cup of parsley. I used to love that stuff out of the box.
The Rice-A-Roni?
Yes. Did you ever do it?
Oh yeah, that was good stuff.
Well, this is ever so much better. Okay. All right, guys. Chicken rice-a-roni is a delightful and flavorful dish that combines the goodness of tender chicken and fragrant rice. The chicken's often seasoned with a blend of herbs, spices, which infuse it with a rich and savory taste. The rice, cooked to perfection, absorbs the aromatic flavors, creating a harmonious balance. Whether enjoyed on its own or paired with a side dish, chicken rice-a-roni is a culinary delight that never fails to impress. Of course, you can find this recipe on my new and improved website, darlenestable.com. So come back to see me soon, right here on Darlene's Table.